Hey everyone, welcome to Gentle BSD. I hope you guys are doing great. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to create slideshow in After Effects in under 20 seconds. Yes, in under 20 seconds. I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. So before we begin our tutorial, please kindly hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any amazing tutorials in the future. And without any further ado, let's get into it. You guys probably already guessed just from the title of this video, this can be done with After Effects alone. Yes, it can be done with only an external plugin, and that is AE Juice Pack Manager. This plugin is completely free for you to download, so I will leave a link in the description for you guys to download. It's an installer, so you don't have to worry about copy paste anything like that. Just download it and install it on your PC. It will automatically integrate on your After Effects program. Create a new project. I will create a new composition by clicking on this icon, or you can go to composition, click new composition. I will leave the resolution as 1920 and 1080 square pixels. I will choose the frame rate as 24 frames per second, and as for the duration I will leave it as 60 seconds. Change it to 60 seconds. Now click OK. After you install the AE Juice Pack Manager, what you have to do, just go to this Windows tab over here. You will see the AE Juice Pack Manager 3 right away. Just click on it. There. As you can see, in this new pack tab, you can see there are these free bundles over here. You have Starter Pack, My Pack, My Media, Slides Beginner, Sound Effects Free, 3.2 Device Collections, and Standard Presets. As I said before, we are going to learn about how to create slideshow in under 20 seconds. So just click on this Slides Beginner. There. Here we have some basic transitions over here. Here we have clock hand from left to right and right to left, just like that. And here we have pixel wipe over here. It's all really basic transition, but it will do the job. Now here we have the round out, and here we have the simple line. Now let's create our slideshow in under 20 seconds. If you see over here, you can see this create tab over here. Just click on it. As you can see here, we have various kind of resolutions. We have standard resolution, which is 1080p, and we have Instagram Facebook resolutions, which is opposite of the 1080p. And here we have ads for Instagram Facebook pixels, which is 1080p. So I will choose the standard screens over here, which is really normal 1080p. Click on it and click continue over here. You can name this slideshow however you like. I will change it as slideshow. Now you can choose all kinds of categories in this slideshow divisions. We have clock hand, pixel wipe, round out, and simple line. I will choose all of these slideshow categories by shift clicking this. As you can see, we have selected all categories of this slideshow. Now go ahead and click on continue. Here you can see it says upload music. Yes, you can upload music. It will automatically integrate the music on your slideshow as you see fit. It is a really amazing feature, guys. It just makes your life simple. Now click on this upload music and select the music you like. I have this 30-second music over here, and click open. There. You can also continue without music if you want by clicking on this continue without music. Now once we selected our music, click continue over here. It will take time to analyze the music, so just be patient. It's an easy process. As you can see, our music is processed. Now all we have to do is select the photo or the video that you wanted, or you can select the stack of photos or stack of videos. It's your choice. I will click on the select folder over here. Now here we have stock photo, and in this stock photo folder I have 6 photos. So I will click on this folder and select folder. There, it's now selected. Now everything been set. All you have to do, just click create. As you can see, it started processing on its own. There, it's done. Now click OK. Zoom out a little. We can put this AE Juice Pack Manager over here. Now let's play it and see how it looks. And that's it. Isn't it amazing? And just like that, we have now created our slideshow in under 20 seconds. You can also remove the music if you want by clicking on this speaker icon over here. As you can see, each photo have its own composition with its own transition. and it's already aligned itself as per the time duration, and you can see this fade in over here. This is really great feature, guys. It is really amazing for the people who don't have the time to create slideshow and they just wanted to create a slideshow on the get-go. It is yours. And another amazing thing about this that you can create slideshow not only for your photos but for your videos too. I will show you how to do that. It's basically the same thing. You just have to select the video instead of a photo. So I will delete everything in this composition over here. Press backspace on your keyboard. Now again click create over here. We will choose the standard screen. Click continue. You will select all of it by shift clicking it. Again click continue. And again we will select the same music over here. Click open. Now click on the continue. Now here we have the select folder or select photos. We will click on the select folder. And here I have the stock video folder over here. I have 6 videos inside it. So I will just select this folder and click select folder. There. After that all you have to do, just click create. Now it's been created. Let's click OK. Zoom out here. We will dock the pack manager. Now let's play it and see how it looks. And just like that, we now created a video slideshow in After Effects using the AI Juice Pack Manager. You guys can completely customize this slideshow by dragging on this video over here at any duration you want, as the transition will happen at the beginning of the new video. As you can see, this is all really basic transitions, but here is the amazing thing about it. They not only offer this free transition and slideshow over here, they have a premium slideshow and premium transition, and that is called the seamless transition over here. They have created this seamless transition bundle with amazing kinds of transition in it. You guys should definitely check it. I have already made a complete video about this AI Juice Pack Manager from start to finish, from the free stuffs to the premium stuff they offer. So you guys should definitely check it. I will leave a link in the description for you guys to see it, or you can click on the link above. They have this basic transition over here, which is really cool, and they have blur transition. Look at that, it's amazing. They have this camera transition over here, like that clicking effect. They have a displacement over here. They have fade, fisheye, flares, flip. Wait. Just showing the preview of a transition is super boring. We will create a new slideshow based on the similar transition bundle they offer. Now what you have to do, I will delete all of the stuffs in the composition over here. Just highlight it and press backspace on your keyboard. Now create a new slideshow based on these premium transitions that the AI Juice Pack Manager offer. All you have to do, just click on the slides tab over here and select the resolution as you like. As you can see, there are more resolutions compared to the free stuff. So for now we will choose the standard screens as usual. Click continue. I will name it as seamless transition. As you can see, we have different kinds of transitions on different categories. So I will select some handful of amazing transitions over here. I will choose the displacement, and let's see the hit, and yeah, perspective, target zoom, warp, and stretch. That looks good. Now click continue. Now again select the upload music. Again we will select the same music over here. I have only one music, guys, please. I will select this and click open. There. As I said before, you can continue without music by clicking on this continue without music tab. Let's click on the continue over here. Let it analyze the music. There. Our music has been analyzed. Now we just have to select the photos or the videos that we want to compile as a slideshow. So I will click on this folder again and select the stock video over here. Click select folder, and that's it. All you have to do, press create. As you can see, it started compiling slideshow. And there it is. If I zoom out over here, let's dock this AI Juice Pack Manager over here. There, we now have created slideshow for our videos. Now let's play it and see how it looks. And just like that, we have created our slideshow for our video. As you guys can see, it's 100 times better than the free transition they offer. As I said before, I have already made a separate tutorial about this AI Juice Pack Manager and their premium stuff and their free stuff, everything in it. Click on the link above to visit that video. And not only this, they also offer all the bundles that they have created up until now for a really cheap price. You guys should definitely check that video. And as I said before, this is how you create a slideshow in under 20 seconds. Okay guys, we are finally at the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment in the comment section. I will reply to it as soon as I can. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want to see more amazing tutorials like this, click the subscribe button. Until our next video, stay safe. Thank you.